Dane, congrats. A few days from now, you will be entering a new season of your life. I hope and pray that even in that season, you will bloom in the Lord. Again, congrats.
Hi Dane, I'm so excited and happy, very, very happy for you, for the new chapter that you're going to embark sa imong life. May God's favor be upon you, and also may His strength and wisdom guide you as you face challenges and trials along the way. Just want you to enjoy it, and may you keep loving each other even if there's no more reason to love. Love you, Dane, and regards to everyone in there.
Hi, Dane and Kim. Although I am time zones away, I would like to wish you both a happy and blessed wedding. I wish you both a wedding that is strong so that both of you can go through life together, and so that both of you will have little cute Danes and Kims, so that I can be a ninang already. And yes, of course, a marriage that is full of love and happiness. So again, best wishes and take care.